Thank you everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Shaimaa Reyad. Today I'm going to present about our business and our company in the Middle East. Mitsubishi Heavy Industries International is a regional office and wholly owned subsidiary of Mitsubishi Heavy Industries Japan, MHI Japan. MHI Japan is a leading international industry and manufacturer for the industry and manufacture of massive number of products, of exceeding 500 products, with operation, with the industry and operation of, MHI Engine System Middle East is a regional office of Mitsubishi Heavy Industries Japan, which is a leading industry and manufacturing of diesel generators and other components like MGS. MHI Japan producing and have operation for transportation, environment solutions, defense, energy, and this is not limited to this. MHI Engine System Middle East established in June 2010 at the regional office for Middle East and Africa, responsible for gas and diesel generators, as well as industrial engines and marine engines. Also to provide genuine parts and in the market, and to provide sales and service support to the whole region. To go back a bit in time, MHI produced and manufactured the very first diesel engine in Japan back in 1917. Ever since Mitsubishi, MHI is leading the power generation industry in the world. Starting from the far east of Japan, following to the middle and west of Asia, reaching to Africa and Europe, reaching to North and South America, Mitsubishi has a very strong network sales and production in the whole region, with different factories, with different branches, with different subsidiaries, and also global service centers. What is MGS? We're going to focus on our product here today for data center. MGS is standing for Mitsubishi Generator Series. Mitsubishi Generator Series for both ranges. We have the diesel generator series, and gas generator series. Diesel generator series, it's called MGSR, with the range up to 3,000 kVA for 50 Hz and 2,000 kilowatts on 60 Hz. Mitsubishi generator series, which can be powered by gas also. We have the option of 500, 1,000 and 1,500 kilowatts for the high-speed units. Medium speed units can be give power up to 5,750 kilowatt. So, adding to MGS gas, MGS diesel series, we also have the MGS service for the global support and customer support as well. So the MGS is the Japanese brand, and when the term Japanese is it's mentioned, the first thing keep in mind it's durability, reliability, high performance, and high quality. We made sure to cover all this by our modular design and keep developing our MGS, our units, in order to maintain or fulfill the market requirement. MGS also is a very friendly equipment to operate. and also it's easy to maintain and to service. All this makes the MGS the perfect choice for data center applications. So, MGS, it's all in-house design and built product. So, starting from designing aspect of our generators and engines with our engineering in Japan and Singapore, followed by assembling and testing the units in our 100% wholly owned facilities, reaching to the site installation with our professional team, also providing after-sales service and the support to make sure to maintain the life and extend the lifetime of the generator and to maintain the operation. MGS, we supply MGS to different applications, starting from mining projects, hospitals, factories, airports. But today we are mainly focused, our mostly focused segment is the data center. In order to deliver MGS to data center, we are complying to the international standards as uptime, Tier 3 and 4. MGS can work with for unlimited operation hour with unlimited load factor, no limitation on load factor. MGS as well can take 100% as a one-step load without any tripping on the engine. MGS can also have the option of the quick start less than 10 seconds. All this requirement for the data center that we can comply and fulfill. In order to fulfill the data center requirements, we consider some aspects in our design of the generators. The first thing, of course, the compatibility and the compliance of our unit to the international standards, mostly the uptime. As the uptime is recognized the data center rating, we specialize two different ratings for data center application. The first one is the critical power, which can give continuous power, and the unit can run for continuous operation unlimited hours with the 100% average load. The second one is the data center continuous power that also, in addition to the critical power, the unit can be loaded with extra 10%. In addition, we added as a standard for data center series, we added some options like the dual starter system for redundancy. Also, the no emission, the low transit reaction for generator, so for X double dash to be less than 12%. In addition, MGS series is compliant to the ISO 8528 G3 performance. Also, again, it can take 100% of load as per the FPA. Also, it has the option of the quick start rather than the select. For reliability, MGS is pre-approved by the uptime standards Tier 3 and 4. MGS also is pre-approved by the TIA 942. Also, MGS is seismic certified by the BMC group. MGS can withstand the vibration and the earthquake and the unforeseen shaking of any building or facility. Part of the certificate that we already received. As we understand the sensitivity and the importance of the data center projects, we always give priority for the production of the data center units. So we are trying to minimize and shorten the lead time of the units for data centers as much as possible. Forward a bit to the future, we designed our MGS to be compatible with the HVO fuel, which is now highly recommended and required for environmental purposes. Another one, more very important aspect, the service. We have our global service center located in Philippines that can provide service and technical support for all our customers and all our partners and end users globally with 24/7 customer service. Also, we are providing service and operation training to all end users and end user technicians and operators. In addition to this, we have our regional service center located in UAE here in Sharjah, our office, also to give support to the region in an effective way. As MGS is all-in-one design and build, we are responsible for the full warranty of the genset. The full unit is under 100% warranty of MHI. This is our product, so it will be our responsibility. So to conclude and brief the features of the MGS, the product in order to MGS quality, the transit response is compliant with the ISO 8528 G3 performance, 100% hot-split load, compliant with uptime K3 and 4, and compliant to the TIA standards, and we are compliant. Dual starter and the low impedance alternators also option. As a product quality, we are testing the unit 100% in our facility. We are providing service at global and local, with the global and local difference. Also the training programs that we are providing to everyone. All this makes us confident that MGS is the best candidate and option to power the data